HQG Optoelectronics Shenzhen Company Limited was founded in Shenzhen since 2005. Our factory is specializing in semiconductor light-emitting diode LED, such as lamp LED, chip LED, top LED, which are widely used in electronic displays, lightings, indoor and outdoor lighting, and backlighting and other fields. With a sustainable development of our factory, we have the advanced automated production lines, processing technology. We reach an annual capacity at 6,000 kk. Under the advanced technology and scientific management method, our company have established a completed quality system and have passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 certification. Till now, our company has got the title of High-Tech Enterprise, Vice President of Shenzhen Electronic Chamber of Commerce, Vice President of Shenzhen LED Industry Association. We also have 8 national patents in LED computer software and other area. Our excellent staffs are composed by senior technical personnel, experienced management and sales team. Integrity, innovation, quality service is our business philosophy. No matter what the customer's needs are, we are committed to providing personalized solutions, providing customers with professional technical support and timely after-sales service to ensure customers get the best purchasing experience. We would follow these as the target, hand in hand with customers, and then create a better future.